Ratchet trail ride. Later on, nigga, I'ma let your girl ride. I'm a big dog, only pretty girls ride. I took the phone off, turn me up, I'm going like, girl. Got your boots on, check. Got your dukes on, check. Baddest thing step.
What up, y'all? It's your boy Markel, City Boy Kel, and today I'm coming here to show y'all a new project of mine. What we got here is Cripette. Cripette is a 1976 Seaswirl 16-foot Ranger. Let me go ahead and introduce y'all and show y'all the haul. So overall, it came with a 21-foot trailer. The boat itself is 16 feet. Came with a bunch of electronics. We got this Minn Kota trolling motor up here front. We got that seat up there that's gonna be going. We changing all that out. But, you know, check her out. It's pretty dope. For our engine, we got an inboard 1992 OMC with this old happy troller, flapper blapper, or whatever the fuck that is. Probably get rid of that. Not gonna really be trolling the man dropping anchor and fishing. But yeah, this is the hull. Pretty solid boat. Never been painted, no dings, no nothing. But I will be repainting it. So this is the inside of the hull. The person I got the boat from recently did the deck and then these seat covers. I won't be redoing the deck, but I will be redoing these sides. And the seat covers I will be painting navy blue. As far as electronics, it came with this Humminbird Helix 7 and this Garmin. What is this Garmin? That Garmin is a Striker 4. Aside from that, you know, it has a horn up there. And then to push the trolling motor, we got this AlphaCell battery here. Then if we come back here, our starting battery is back here. And what we got back here is a ProSport 20. And basically what that is a marine battery charger. You plug that in shore power and it charges all your batteries. This particular charger can charge up to 3 batteries. So I may add another marine starting battery at some point. That's the electronics that we got back here. Now if we come under here, this is our inboard engine. And like I said, this is 1992 OMC. Coming up, I'll show you guys if it starts or not. Oh, good question, isn't it? But no, this is the engine. Looks like it's a 4-cylinder. But yeah, for what deal I got for this, it was a deal. Couldn't beat it. But yeah, it came with a bunch of extra stuff. And I'm gonna show you guys all that stuff right now. All right, I'm back. Another thing that the boat came with is these. These actually go up and down, and these control the bow of the boat when you're actually on the water. Keeps the bow from going up like this. Keeps it kind of down like this. And that's what those are for. But other than that, let's see. We got our propeller. We got our trolling sock. It came with some docking buoys, some pole holders, a bunch of extra rope, some more swivelies. What you didn't notice before is that they added this chair that's right here. that's sitting on top of the engine compartment. I'm actually gonna take that off and remove that. And I'm gonna add a swivel shaler up there. Let's see what else it came with. We got our ladder to get in and out when you're on the water. We got our landing, came with landing net. 2 old beat up ass life jackets. A paddle. I'm gonna get replace all of that. Came with a fire extinguisher, and then it came with a flare kit. But other than that, that's where we are right now with it. Coming up, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys whether it fires up and turns over or not. So stay tuned. So I done showed y'all all the goodies. So here's the overall plan. The hull itself, the top portion, well, I'm gonna redo the whole, paint the whole hull. We're gonna throw down the primer. We're gonna throw down white. And then the upper half starting from where you see that line at, right there is gonna be navy blue. All the way around. The fabric on the chairs will be changed to navy blue. The engine compartment, navy blue. That ugly brown leather looking stuff, navy blue. And then we're just gonna detail the white fiberglass up there as the best as we can. And, you know, just leave that. And so the whole theme color, oh, I'm gonna do a trailer too. Paint the trailer white. But the whole theme and end goal is to have 2 new chairs, one forward, one aft, both removable. And those are going to be mid-back chairs, also navy blue or white. And the whole theme or color for Cripette will be navy blue and white. And so, I hope y'all enjoyed this little video I made. Go ahead, like, subscribe, so you can see more of this content. And follow the project. I won't be doing this alone. The girls will be helping me, as well as the boys. So, yeah, just drop us a like, follow, and follow along with this voyage. Until the next time, peace!